All right, guys, here we go. Model Rocks 321 here. Today we have an unboxing. This is all the way from Penrose, Colorado. And you know what's in Penrose, Colorado. That is the headquarters of Estes Rockets. So here we go. We're going to get this box open. Let's do this real quick. See what we got going on. Also, subscribe to the channel. Hit the thumb up video. Drop a comment. Share the video. So let's see what we got going on here. Let's see what we got going. Okay, let's start with this. What we got here? All right, so here we go. Look like we got a piece of wear, some kind of wear, maybe a shirt, size large. Look like a Hawaiian shirt. See Estes logo on there though. Estes has. Okay, so here we go. What we got? What we got? This is a Estes Hawaiian shirt. Let's get this all the way open. I gotta see. I gotta see. Perfect for the summer. Look at this. There we go. So we have an Estes, and it got space shuttles on it. Check that out. Estes Hawaiian shirt. Look at that. Estes Hawaiian shirt with space shuttles. And I forget what the name of those flowers are. They're not. I forget what the name of those flowers are, but yeah, Estes is doing their thing. This is a perfect like flying shirt when you're out flying in this hot weather like Arizona gets. Oh, you got Saturn V's on there too. So you got space shuttles and Saturn V's. Wait a minute. Space shuttle, Saturn V, and Artemis rockets are on there. Any more? That's it. Yeah, that's it. Space shuttle. So this is all NASA. So this is all NASA, no SpaceX I noticed. But anyway, Estes got the space shuttle on there, Saturn V, and the Artemis rocket on this Hawaiian shirt. Check that out. Perfect for the summer. Perfect for the summer. This size large, like it's running a little bit bigger. I'm usually like a large. It might be good. Let me see. It might be good. It might be good to try it out. So that is the first item in the box. Next up, what do we have here? It's going to pull things out, try to keep stuff concealed. All right, so here we have a laser cut rocket stand. Okay, this is one of the cradles. Thanks to Estes for this. This is one of the cradle display stands. Pretty wide too. You can get like a decent sized rocket on there too. Yeah, so this is pretty cool. These are all wood. You have to put it together. It is a laser cut rocket stand. So we have that. We have the Hawaiian shirt. Very nice. Let's reach down in here. What do we have? See, I see a couple rockets. Let's pull this. What's this guy? Okay, the Orbitron. I have one of these Orbiters. This is the second one I have, the Orbitron. I want to get the other one built because I do want to fly the one that I do have, 18-inch parachute. So yeah, nice big payload section. Yeah, nice big body. Look like that tougher body too. Nice payload section. So this is a Estes Orbitron. I believe this is a newer release by them for 2025. Maybe it could have been 2024 also, but I think it's 2025. I think it's a 2025 release. So 950 feet. So this is a high flyer on the D12. So I'm thinking if you extend that engine hook and you get an E in there, you can get this well over 1,000, and an F will definitely put it over, maybe even up there to 2,000. I'm still chasing that 2,000 foot launch. I'm trying to hit a 2,000 foot launch. But you don't want to lose. You start going that high and you lose track, man. You can really lose your rocket. But yeah, so the Orbitron is in here. Very cool, very cool. Moving on. Continue the unboxing. There's one more item in here. Let's see what we have. Oh, nice. Last but not least, the Mayhem. This is the Estes new release. 2,000 feet flights. Yes. And that's 2,000 feet. It's 2-stage payload. Very nice. Kevin did a build on this. He did a good job. I definitely want to get this rocket built. This is a nice looking rocket. I like that name too, the Mayhem. 33 inches tall. Check that out. It's not even Pro Series, but that's a nice size on there. Okay, I see. Yeah, nice. Slotted. Yeah, slotted. The booster fins are slotted. They didn't slot the main body, but still cool. Okay, you got the screw-on retainers, a couple spacers. Excuse me, a couple spacers. Clear payload section, nice. That's high-flying 2-stage rocket with payload. Wow, yeah, this is a good one. This is a good one right here. I like this. I'm liking these payloads, man. You can get your altimeters in there nice and easy. So very cool. January 9th, that's January 7th, 2025 when this was manufactured. So very cool, very cool. This is in the advanced skill level. Let me see, upper stage D25 or E12.6, booster stage D12.0 to E12.0. So yeah, you can stage a few ways. Do it a few different ways. You can go to E12, excuse me, E12.8. I just ate something and now it's getting stuck in my throat and drinking any water. But yeah, so pretty cool. Very nice rocket. This is cool. I'm liking this. This is right up my alley. I like this. Kind of remind me a little bit of my, but nothing can touch the Omega. The Omega, that is like one of my top ones. I've been flying that one, you know, doing video and everything on onboard video. But nice. The Mayhem. This is cool. Very cool. That big cone. So I can see I gotta do some cutting here to get the transition off. All right. Good deal. Should be pretty straightforward build for the most part. I mean, you got your motor mounts. Yeah, I'm pretty sure all your other stuff's in that bag. You got your parachutes. Yeah, that's going to drop to the ground. Yeah, very nice. Anything else? Anything else? Nope, that is it. That is it. Oh, I see a little damage on the back side of this package. That had a little ding I didn't see. But yeah, so Estes, thank you guys for sending me this. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4 things. Got the Hawaiian shirt. Got the Hawaiian shirt with the rockets on there. Good deal. Got the cradle. So yeah, this is a nice little lot. Shout out to Estes. Also guys, shop EstesRockets.com. You can get any of this stuff over there. IN_321. Put in that discount code. Get yourself a discount. If you can't use a discount, be sure to spread the word on it. Spread the word about this channel. Share this video to anybody that's getting into the hobby or that you want to see get into the hobby. Let them know it's something cool they can go and do. Share it around. Share. Share it with anybody. Co-workers, friends, family, anybody. Share them. Hey, say here's something we can do this spring, this summer. We can build these rockets. We can launch them. Create your own mini space program. That's what Model Rockets 321 it is. Model Rockets 321 is an Arizona space program. All right, guys. Model Rockets 321 here, and I am out. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you on the next one. Matter of fact, watch this video that's coming up right up here.
Step beyond the ordinary with Above the Surface, a captivating collection of science fiction-inspired drawings by model rocketeer Keith of Model Rockets 321. This zine features striking illustrations that push the limits of imagination and creativity, paired with motivational quotes to inspire and fuel your drive. Whether you're chasing dreams or need some positive words, Above the Surface is here to elevate your journey. Get your copy today while supplies last.